David, I wanted to show you your M engine. We have this is all freshly back from the machine shop. I called him. I said, "Gee, I have a transmission cover plate. Is there by chance a transmission still in your shop?" So that's being picked up today. He had it tucked away where he'd forgotten to put it, and so anyway, we got that. Here is your rebuilt generator converted to 12 volts, your starter, intake manifold, water pump, which we still have to work on. These are just bolts and so forth, and some hardware for attaching the exhaust manifold that goes right here. In this crate is the exhaust manifold. I'm going to open it today and just make sure there's no damage. This is your exhaust elbow. These are engine mounts, which are all in good shape, and they mount right here on the engine. So the next step is in this process, and we also have a carburetor in another box that needs to go on this pallet. Oh yeah, here's the carburetor over here, and I do need to put it on that pallet so everything's together. So carburetor. So anyway, we're ready to start assembling, and the next step will be assemble and fire this up. On your boat proper, we have removed what's called the sealing boards. Now this is not your boat, but here's an example. These boards that go down the inside here are called sealing boards. All right. I don't know if that's SEALING boards or CEILING boards, but yours are out, and we have all the old varnish off of them, so they're sanded. This is your cockpit combing, and as you can see, it was rotted out where the staples had gone. This is where the staple line was for your crash rail. So it was rotted on top where your crash rail was stapled on, and it was rotted where all the staples had been. Same thing with the other one on the other side. So that's removed as well. We're getting ready to duplicate those and put new ones in, and we'll run over here to your sealing boards. This is the back side of your sealing boards. We've run them through a thickness sander right here and gotten all of the varnish off of them. That's the most expedient, therefore the least expensive method. And we just have to sand the edges, and then we'll restain, and we'll stain and varnish these guys separately and put them back in the boat when we're finishing the assembly on the boat. So that's where we are. Thank you, David.